The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review, an ancient Japanese tonic that melts 33 pounds in 28 days. With each passing day, weight loss is continuing to become nothing short of a puzzle for people that want to get a slim body. With so many guides and expert opinions, it is becoming increasingly tougher to get a straight answer. The World Health Organization points out that obesity has almost tripled since 1975. And Americans are one of the most affected. It is surprising to know that the Japanese people live longer than others and experience fewer chronic health problems. What could be the secret behind it? Finding the secret behind Okinawans' increased lifespan could be challenging. But, what if having a supplement that contains the Japanese diet secret? Nowadays, more and more natural supplements are beginning to enter the limelight. These natural supplements are among the best ways to retain one's health without falling into the same old pitfalls. The most prominent one among these is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Powder. This is a natural supplement that is becoming a must-have for people looking to retain their dietary intake and lose weight. This is a natural supplement that focuses on the main thing that revolves around weight loss in one's body. That is the metabolism of the user. Many people suffer from stagnated or slow metabolisms without even realizing it. The end result tends to be that their weight loss efforts are completely overshadowed. And they are unable to reach their ideal weights. Thus, users continue to lose motivation and give up. This is why one is focusing on trying to fix their metabolism. They cannot hope to reach their ideal body. Through the use of Flat Belly Tonic, users can ensure that their body is getting the required essentials to keep their metabolism fast and effective. Furthermore, the natural formula of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is able to take a deeper look into users' metabolism. There is often scientific reasoning behind why one's metabolism is slowing down. And realizing what these are and working to improve upon them is a must. It is when they looked into the lifestyle of the Okinawan people and their ultra-fast metabolism as when they realized the answer. According to researchers, the people of this remote Japanese island have lightning-speed metabolisms. And furthermore, they are able to sport a highly effective and energy-driven lifestyle. What exactly is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic recipe can be traced back to ancient Japan, in the Okinawa region. It's said that there is not a single obese person in the entirety of this place, and Okinawans enjoy a robust immune system and the longest life expectancy. They credit these attributes to the ingredients they used in their daily meals, handed down to them by their ancestors. The program states that the leading cause for weight gain and fat retention in the body is when the C-reactive protein, CRP, disrupts the normal functioning of the mitochondria within the body and deactivates it, which is responsible for metabolic activity. This leads to the body not burning fat and calories at its most optimum levels. Studies have found that most people have this molecule in their bodies, and it is tough to flush it out of the system. According to their official website, the unique blend of berries and foods in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic creates a chain reaction within the body after consumption. It allows the body to start expelling the CRP, giving your body's natural fat-burning capabilities a boost. This would enable a person to start losing weight rapidly, as the metabolism dictates how many calories are lost even while resting. The program claims to need no special diet or exercise regime and can be followed by anyone. But, what goes into the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? What are the ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic claims to be 100% organic, natural, and GMO-free. So, we decided to test the ingredients and its purity. The ingredients are a variety of berries, herbs, and plants, making it completely vegetarian. The tonic comprises two specific ingredient groups, the main metabolic ingredients, and the antioxidant ingredients. The main metabolic ingredients are to help boost your base metabolic rate to help you burn more fat. They are EGCG, a plant compound present in green and white tea. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is known to help reduce inflammation in the body, prevent brain and heart diseases, and greatly aid in weight loss. Piperine, the main component in black and long pepper, piperine, is famous for its ability to burn fat in the body and prevent the body from storing excess amounts. Inulin. Inulin is a dietary fiber found in many vegetables such as wheat, onions, leeks, and asparagus. It is known to help control diabetes, aid in weight loss, and assist in digestive processes. Hibiscus sabdurifa. This flower has been brewed into teas for a long time and has been known to help control your blood sugar levels, maintain liver health, aid in weight management, and enhance fat loss. The antioxidant ingredients are a collection of berries known for being a rich source of vitamins and minerals which promote a healthy body. Aronia berry. This berry has been known as a rich source of antioxidants, supports and strengthens your immune system, increases energy, and adds to your overall dietary fiber requirement. Acai berry. This berry has been seeing increasing popularity with its use in smoothie bowls. It is known to help the body maintain healthy cholesterol levels and reduce the amount of fat absorbed while eating. Mulberry. This berry helps control blood sugar levels and cholesterol in the body and contains the compound, rutin, which increases the body's base fat-burning capabilities. Momerdica charantia, an extract from a tropical vine, helps support healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the amount of fat stored in the body's midsection. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement derives its fat-burning capabilities from these two groups of ingredients. Is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic safe? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is produced by a professional laboratory, backed up by solid scientific research, and is made in a clean, modern FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility with regular audits and quality checks. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is free of all allergens, contains natural ingredients, and is perfectly safe. If you have a medical condition, it's recommended you discuss it with your doctor. It's not a fat-burning pill or medication. It contains nature's finest nutrients for all-day metabolism support. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a one-of-a-kind weight loss support supplement that revs up your metabolism to super-fast levels, enabling you to burn off pounds of fat and be in complete control of your weight. How fast will you lose weight? It all depends on how much weight you have to lose. Everybody is different. The more you need to get rid of, the faster it's likely to work. To start needing new clothes in just 10 days happens all the time. In 1 or 2 months, you could be at your ideal weight already. How to take the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Just take 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic around 10 a.m. or around 1 hour after a light breakfast. Then, feel the nutrients work their way through your body as they provide their powerful metabolism-boosting effects. To buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement at the lowest price, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.